You just found the 2020 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a boldly beautiful Tundra that delivers serious strength and upscale comfort. Engineered to maximize towing and handling stability, this handsome truck also spoils you with a smooth ride and premium cabin loaded with amenities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Give yourself the advantages of strength and comfort with this impressive Tundra. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.